Hello everybody and welcome back. I am here today to share with you a new kit that I have ready for April. Now April is normally my month off. I kind of release a kit, do challenges and freebies, then I have a month off and then I do the next one. So April really should have been my month off because I did my collaboration in March with Jade E. Susan and we had challenges and freebies and all that kind of thing. But I was really inspired by creating this kit and I've had it kind of ready, so I thought, well, why not, let's just throw it out there. Hopefully you guys will like it as well. Unfortunately my printer has died. It's officially given up the ghost, which is why you are looking at my desk rather than actually looking at printed pages. I am going to pop it up digitally on the screen so you can see. So this is my Steampunk Grunge kit. There are 25 pages in this one. I have thoroughly enjoyed creating this. Now I have done a steampunk grunge type kit before that was called Industrial Grunge and that was hugely popular. Lots of people seem to really like that kit, so I wanted to do something again in the same kind of theme. I love steampunk. I have gone a little bit out of my kind of usual comfort zone, I guess, for designing, and I've got not only figures, human figures, but they've got animal heads, so I decided to go a little bit different with this one, a little bit quirky. Now if you are not into that, I've only put them on a few pages. There's a few kind of cutouts of them, and I think it's on maybe one or two of the pages in the kit, so if you're not into that, obviously you can just print around those pages if that's not what you like, but I thought it's quirky. I thought it might be a little bit fun. So as I said, 25 pages. This will be available in my Etsy shop and on my Ko-fi. There will be a 20% discount as usual for the month of its release. So throughout April, there will be a 20% discount. There is no code needed for Etsy. There is a code for Ko-fi. However, I've noticed if you're on a different device, so if you're on a desktop computer and you type the code in, it's fine, but when you're doing it on a phone, I've noticed that it doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the code below, but I'm also going to have a link which kind of includes the code. So if you want to purchase this particular kit, you have to click the link and it will take the 20% off. I really hope that makes sense, but it's just an easy way of doing it because, like I said, the code only works if you're on a desktop, whereas the link works no matter what. Which I think is bizarre. I don't know why Ko-fi does that. It should just work, but never mind. So yeah, so it's available on Etsy and it's available on Ko-fi. Now because April's technically my month off, I won't have any challenges throughout April. Even if I wanted to, I can't print anything off anyway to do some challenges. So there won't be any challenges, but there will still be some freebies. So if you are not following me on Ko-fi, I do have my Linktree link down below if you want to go and follow me there, because that's where I release all of my freebies. So that's where they'll be throughout April. And then, as I say, back in May, there'll be a kit, freebies and challenges and all that jazz again for May. But I was just really excited about this one. I was inspired by, for those of you that know, I receive monthly boxes from Grabby, and their new one, which is currently on its way to me, it hasn't arrived yet, but it's on its way, is a steampunk theme. And when I saw that, that's kind of what prompted me with this kit. So very excited to receive that and have a little look. Hopefully I will be able to do some creating with that, because obviously that doesn't require any printing. But yes, I am so sad. I'm really hoping that I can get a new printer soon. I have been looking at some, but unfortunately they're like £300 and that is currently way out of my budget. So yeah, we'll kind of see when a new printer can be purchased. We'll have to see. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoy this kit. I would love to see what you create with it. So if you post on Instagram or in Facebook, if you tag me, Nonstop Papercrafts, or if you're in the Nonstop Papercrafts Facebook group, again, love to see your work in there as well. Yeah, like I said, really jealous that I can't print anything off and play with the kit myself. I have been quite excited about this one, but yeah, such is life. My printer has died and yeah, it might be a little while before I get a new one. So that's just that, unfortunately. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.